Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes for a single-member LLC. Start by gathering your bookkeeping, Form 1040, Schedule C, and any Form 1099s. Next, keep personal and business finances separate and reconcile accounts monthly. Categorize income and deductible expenses clearly and track receipts. Consider home office rules and depreciation where applicable. Finally, review self-employment tax and estimated payments, then file electronically or consult a pro for complex situations. Choosing tax classification affects how you report income and pay taxes. Default single-member LLC is disregarded, so income flows to Form 1040 via Schedule C. However, you can elect corporate taxation using Form 8832 or S Corporation with Form 2553. Each election changes self-employment tax, payroll requirements, and potential tax savings. Run a quick comparison or talk to an advisor today to estimate differences before you file. Track deductions diligently to lower taxable income and avoid audits. Common deductions include business meals at 50%, vehicle expenses, home office, supplies, and retirement contributions. Keep receipts, invoices, mileage logs, and bank records for at least 3 years. Use accounting software or a simple spreadsheet to categorize transactions monthly. When in doubt, document the business purpose and keep consistent methods to support deductions if questioned. Also reconcile quarterly and save copies of filed returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.